Today I'm making a really easy and really delicious cake with only 2 ingredients. This is pineapple angel food cake or pineapple cloud cake. Welcome y'all to Robin on the Farm. Today I'm making a really easy 2-ingredient dessert. I'm making pineapple angel food cake or pineapple cloud cake. Now this is a great recipe because it's only a 1-bowl recipe and the only ingredients are some angel food cake mix and some crushed pineapple. Now this recipe is piggybacking off of another recipe that I recently shared with y'all, my lemon cloud cake. Now for that recipe, all you needed was some angel food cake and a can of lemon pie filling. And I got lots of questions about that recipe, about if you could use other pie fillings. And I have used blueberry pie filling, and I've used strawberry pie filling, and also the lemon pie filling for that recipe. But I also got comments from y'all saying that you've made this recipe with crushed pineapple. And so I just had to try that out. And I so appreciate y'all letting me know about that because I have never made this. So today I am giving this recipe a try for the first time and we're gonna try it out together. But I know how well that the lemon cloud cake turns out, and I bet this one turns out just as well. Now, the thing that I like about this is that those cans of pie filling are getting pretty expensive. I mean, some of them are close to $6. So crushed pineapple, way cheaper, and I love that tropical pineapple flavor. Okay, so let's just get started on this super easy recipe. To get started, I'm gonna add this crushed pineapple to my bowl. Now this is a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Any brand will work just fine. I'm gonna add that right on into my bowl. Now I'm going to add my angel food cake mix. Now this is a 1 pound or a 16-ounce box of angel food cake mix, and it's the just add water kind. So I'm going to add this right on in there with my crushed pineapple. Now I normally share homemade from scratch recipes with y'all because I normally do most of my baking and cooking from scratch, but I don't mind reaching for a box of cake mix every once in a while because I'm a homeschooling mom of 4, I run a farm, and I make breakfast, lunch, and dinner and snacks every single day. We really don't eat out at all. So every once in a while, I can reach for a box of cake mix and I don't feel guilty about it at all. I also like to keep cake mixes in my food storage for emergencies. But you do what you feel best doing. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this cake mix into my bowl. This angel food cake mix smells really good. I love angel food cake. Okay, I'm gonna take my Danish dough whisk and I'm just gonna give this a really good mix. Now, something really magical happens when you mix these 2 ingredients up. All of a sudden, it becomes really light and fluffy. Oh, and this cake turns out light and fluffy. If this one turns out the same as my lemon cloud cake or my strawberry cloud cake or my blueberry cloud cake, and I expect that it will. I actually think that this batter is lighter and fluffier and rising even more than any of the other cloud cakes that I've made. This looks really good. I'm excited for this one. Now you don't want to overmix this, but you want to be sure that all of your cake mix is really well incorporated with your pineapple. Make sure there's none stuck on the bottom of your bowl. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Go ahead and get that going before you even start this recipe, or you're going to be waiting on your oven to preheat because this is so fast. You can really have this cake done from start to finish in about 30 minutes, which is pretty exciting. Okay, I'm going to just pour this batter into this 9x13. Now, a lot of my other cloud cakes I have made in bundt pans, but I've never made this pineapple one, so I recommend a 9x13 for this recipe. Now, this is one of my USA pans, and it's non-stick, so I didn't even have to grease it, spray it, coat it with anything. But if you're using like a glass pan, then I'd probably spray it. Now I'm just gonna get this all in the corners, just kind of even it out. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, and it is super light and fluffy. I'm so excited for this. Okay, it's already ready to go into the oven. This was so quick and simple to mix up. I'm gonna throw this in and let it bake for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees, and I'll show it to you when it's done. I just got my 2-ingredient pineapple angel food cake out of the oven. I let it bake for 25 minutes. So in under 30 minutes with only 2 ingredients, this looks pretty yummy and it smells really good too. Now, this baked up a lot more like an angel food cake than my cloud cakes that are made with pie fillings. So I definitely think that you could bake this in a tube pan or a bundt pan or a 9x13 just like this. Now I'm gonna let this cool off just like I would an angel food cake, and then I'm gonna enjoy a little bite with you. I've let my 2 ingredient pineapple cloud cake or pineapple angel food cake cool, and now I've sliced into it. I put a little dusting of powdered sugar on top, and I'm serving it with some blueberries because that's what I had, and I am ready to take a bite. I haven't even taken a taste test yet. So let's see what I think of this pineapple cloud cake. I like it. I think it's lightly tropical, zesty, a little bit tangy and sweet. It's fluffy like an angel food cake is. I find that this turns out very differently than the ones that I've made with pie filling. It's definitely lighter, doesn't have quite as much flavor, and it's definitely more fluffy than the other ones that I've tried too with the pie filling. But I think it's great. I think this is a great spring and summer dessert, or just anything that you want when you need something really, really fast. This is really, really good with the blueberries. I think any berries would be really good. And I think some whipped cream is probably a must with this. You could also make a really yummy light citrus glaze to go on top. Lots of possibilities with this one, but I think it's delicious. So thank you for all of you that told me to mix up some crushed pineapple and an angel food cake mix, because I love it. This is a new one for me. If you want to give this one a try and you can't remember these 2 ingredients, I'll leave the printable recipe down in the description and on my website, robinonthefarm.com. I hope that you'll give this a try, and I hope that you like it as much as I do. This has been a fun one to make. Super fast, super simple, only 2 ingredients, ready in 30 minutes. Love it. Thanks so much for being here with me on Robin on the Farm. I'll see y'all next time. If you want to try this recipe with pie filling, be sure to see my 2 ingredient lemon cloud cake. If you want another sweet treat, here's my 4 ingredient peanut butter cookies. My 2 ingredient bread recipe is a hit, and my 2 ingredient yogurt bread is definitely worth trying too. If you like simple, easy recipes, check those out.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need. Ground wheat fresh, sowing her seed. The smell of fresh bread rises in the air. Simple life without a care.